Hey, hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can make your study plan or research proposal while applying for any scholarship. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell button and to get the regular updates for the scholarships and all the education related content. So let's get started. So guys, if we go by the definition of study plan, then it means like study plan is something in which we schedule our study objectives in the future, which we have to do in a particular university or a country where we are going to study. So that actually means like you are telling someone that how good you worked before coming to that university, what are your objectives, obviously your study objectives, what were your achievements before, and what are you thinking about your future. So if you are studying in a particular university in the future under supervision of certain professor, then what are you thinking about achieving your goals and how you are going to get your goals done. So these are all things must be covered in your study plan or research proposal, and that's pretty easy. Most of guys ask me like how they can write study plans and do that kind of stuff, but they actually get stuck by just copy pasting the content which is available online of different sources maybe, and they just try to copy paste it. And obviously this is something which is not belongs to you, because that is not your study plan. That study plan belongs to someone else, so you must not use that. What you have to do, you have to write your own study plan. How? I will explain to you today step by step. The first thing is you have to define yourself, you have to present yourself in a certain way that the reader must get impressed by your personality and your achievements. So you should organize your study plan, your introduction section in the beginning of your study plan. This is the first essential thing in your study plan. And then once you have defined yourself, then second thing would be to tell someone like what your previous study objectives, or the academic achievements were. Those achievements would be like your percentage in previous university from where you have completed your undergrad course or maybe master's course or PhD. So you can write about your academic achievements, and then after that you can write about your basic things about your research which you have done, or if you have published any papers, if you have any publications in conferences or in scientific journals, so you can list them down. And this is the second part. So the third part is or you can say like the third part could be about your future objectives, like why you are studying why you are choosing to study overseas. So this is a very important thing, because you are leaving your country, for example, and you are going abroad to study in a certain university. So what is it which is actually compelling you to do that? You have to tell that in your study plan. And that could be, for example, if you take the example of China, you can say like you like Chinese culture, and because the Chinese universities have good rankings in research, so you have you are inclined towards studying in China because of this particular reason. So guys, the fourth thing is like telling a university or a professor like how you will organize your study in that university. And for that purpose you can write very short information about like what will be your research about and how you plan on achieving your objectives for that research. So you have to take care about certain things here, and that is like if you are writing a research proposal, then you may include a lot of details in that, but in case of a study plan you are not required to add more of a detail here. You just need to provide a very short brief about your study objectives and study schedules in that university, so that that university and professor can get familiar with your state of approach for achieving your objectives in that university for your next degree program. So this is the fourth point. So before I tell you the fifth point, most of the universities normally ask students like, what will you do after completing your education in that university? So you must include this question and its answer in your study plan. And that answer could be something like you are going to go back to your country after completing your education in that university abroad. And the purpose for going back to your country would be to serve your nation. Because you have learned so many things abroad in that university, so you want to transfer those things back to your countrymates. So this is something most of the guys, scholarship winners, used to include in a study plan to make it more essential. So guys, in your study plan, you have to first include your introduction, and then you have to include your academic achievements. And after that, you can include a brief about your research and how you are going to get your research done in that university. You can also include the information about your, like after completing your education, what are you going to do and what are your objectives after completing your education. You can also include about your social information or social interaction or social activities. Or extracurricular activities that will obviously strengthen your application for a scholarship. And this is how you write your study plan. And if you have any questions, you can just comment down below, and I will also try to include a link about the study plan template, or you can say like study plan example, in the description of this video, which you can check out and get some inspiration for writing your own study plan. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have any other topics you want us to talk about, then just comment down below and we will make a video for you. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.